How to turn Bixby on and off in Customization Service on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control whether Bixby can personalize your experience on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Then scroll down and tap on General Management. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Customization Service. Right here, you'll see a list of Samsung services that can each personalize a different part of your device. Next up, find Bixby from the list and tap the toggle right next to it. When turned on, Bixby uses your usage patterns and behavior to offer smarter and more relevant suggestions across your device. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding what you need. From here, it can also tailor Bixby responses and recommendations based on your daily routines, making the assistant feel more personal and useful over time. Moving on, turning it off simply stops Bixby from using your activity data for personalization. Bixby itself will still work, it just won't adapt to your habits anymore. Finally, the change takes effect straight away, with no restart required. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.